Hybrid enablement makes your meetings inclusive and engaging, allowing employees to share the same experience wherever they are. And schedule and join meetings in exactly the same way across the entire WebEx Room series. Scheduling a Zoom meeting in your preferred calendar client is easy. Simply click on the Zoom button to add your Zoom meeting details into the invitation. Add a meeting room with a room device to truly make your meeting a fully hybrid meeting. And just hit send. When it's time for your meeting to begin, you can access all your controls from the touch device in your meeting room. Click on the big green button to join the meeting, or say, OK WebEx, join meeting, for a touch-free joining experience. If you need to enter a passcode, just type it in through the touch tablet. Your meeting will start on your WebEx Room device, and you're in. Want to share your work? Connect your laptop directly to your WebEx Room device to share your work with the whole team. Now everyone's on the same page. Try scheduling, joining, and sharing your screen in your Zoom meetings with a WebEx Room device today.